Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple face mask which you can use once a week and will leave your skin glowing, youthful, supple, and just radiant. This mask is very easy to make, the ingredients are very easy to get, and you just need to use it once a week, leave it on for 25 minutes a day, and you will see a reduction in hyperpigmentation. You will see more youthful looking skin, and you will have a beautiful glow. So our first ingredient and our main ingredient is a banana. So you're going to need ripe bananas. Here I have half a banana that I mashed up into a bowl. And just use a fork to mash it up. And this will be good for one mask. Our second ingredient is turmeric powder. So you can use about half a teaspoon of this, or a quarter teaspoon. And give that a mix. Remember to use an old t-shirt or an apron because turmeric does stain. Our next ingredient is honey, which is very moisturizing. And I will be using about a half teaspoon of honey. And give that a mix. Be sure to stir well to incorporate all the great ingredients. And our next and last ingredient is vitamin E oil. I got this from Amazon, but it's totally optional. You really don't need the oil. I'm just using this for extra moisture. So I'm going to add a few drops of this. And give that a stir. And what you do with this mask is place it on your face, neck, and chest area. Leave it on for 25 minutes, then use a warm wash rag or cloth to scrub it off your skin. So you'll be giving yourself some nice exfoliation, which will leave your skin glowing, beautiful, radiant, youthful. And you need to do this exactly once a week or more if you really like it. And it does stain, so what you can do is take a little bit of oil, even olive oil, on a wash rag and just wipe the rest of the turmeric or powder off or stain off of your face or on your hairline, and it works right away. It takes it right off, so you don't have to worry about having a stain on your face. And you'll love this mask. It's just like you're going to the spa. You get a luxurious moisturizing mask for pennies. And just use this once or twice a week, 25 minutes each time, and you'll absolutely love it. So give this a try and tell me what you think. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you. Bye-bye.